Hello, today my kids and I will be showing you how we made these soft, delicious, chewy chocolate chip cookies at home. So if you're interested in seeing how we made these, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious content like this. To a bowl, we added half cup soft room temperature butter, quarter cup granulated sugar, and quarter cup brown sugar. Mix until well combined. Next, add 1 large egg and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix the dry ingredients together. Now gradually add in the dry ingredients, mixing in between additions. Half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips was added. Cover and refrigerate for approximately half an hour. After the batter has chilled, scoop out a portion of that delicious cookie batter, roll into a ball, and place on a lined cookie tray. Remember to leave space between each cookie because they spread during the baking process. This recipe yields approximately 8 cookies. Bake in your oven that was preheated to 325 degrees for approximately 20 minutes. These cookies were so soft and delicious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.